Hey there, budding biologists. Have you ever bitten into a delicious potato or enjoyed the spicy kick of a chili pepper? Well, surprise, both of these foods belong to the Solanaceae family, often called the nightshade family. This amazing family includes not only our beloved tomatoes, potatoes, and peppers but also some medicinal plants like belladonna and tobacco. These plants are more than just food or decoration. They are part of a worldwide network that affects ecosystems, economies, and even your health. Let's dive into the secrets of these plants that have been feeding and healing humans for centuries.
Now, let's take a closer look at these plants. Most Solanaceae are herbs, shrubs, or small trees with some growing fleshy or tuberous underground stems. Think about the potato. That's a perfect example of a plant that stores energy in its tubers for the next growing season. Isn't it fascinating that potatoes are essentially underground factories producing energy that you can eat? Their stems are woody or herbaceous, often with lots of branching to support their large, energy-absorbing leaves. Speaking of leaves, did you know that they typically have a network-like vein pattern called reticulate venation? This venation helps transport nutrients and water, ensuring the plant stays healthy and thriving. Let's take a look at this leaf structure. Notice how the veins form a network, helping transport food and water throughout the plant. Let's move to the flowers. And trust me, these are just as interesting. Solanaceae flowers are bisexual, meaning they have both male and female parts, which is great for reproduction. And here's a fun fact: they are actinomorphic or radially symmetrical. This symmetry allows pollinators like bees and butterflies to easily access all parts of the flower. The petals of these flowers are fused together, forming a tubular shape, which is not only beautiful but functional. It helps guide the pollinator in and out, ensuring that the plant's reproductive parts get the attention they need. Take a moment to observe this flower diagram. The sepals, petals, and reproductive organs are neatly organized to facilitate pollination and reproduction. After pollination, something magical happens. The Solanaceae plants produce fruit. The fruit is usually a berry or capsule, and inside each fruit is a treasure trove of seeds. These seeds are often endospermic, meaning they come with a food reserve to help them grow into strong plants when conditions are right. Have you ever cut open a tomato or a chili? If you look closely, you'll see how the seeds are nestled inside, ready to germinate. This seed package is the plant's way of ensuring future generations. Think of the seeds as the plant's way of passing the torch. Now, let's talk about why the Solanaceae family is so important to us: the economic significance. These plants provide essential food sources. Potatoes, tomatoes, and chili peppers are staples in our diets and have been for centuries. Beyond food, these plants also contribute to the medicinal world. Belladonna, though toxic in high doses, has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. Even tobacco, which comes from this family, has economic value, though we all know the risks associated with its use. And let's not forget about ornamental plants like petunias that add color to gardens around the world. Just imagine the power of these plants to influence our economy, health, and lifestyle. So, after all that, what do we learn about Solanaceae? These plants are incredibly diverse and fascinating. They provide us with food, medicine, and even beauty. From the large leaves of the tomato to the fiery spice of a chili pepper, each part of the plant plays a role in its survival and in our world. Next time you bite into a tomato or use a chili in your cooking, remember that you're connecting to this extraordinary family of plants. You've just learned about how their structure, flowers, and fruits help them thrive. These aren't just plants we grow in the garden, they're part of a larger biological story that ties all living things together. Biology is full of wonder and complexity, and I hope today you've seen just how amazing life can be. Keep exploring, and I'll see you next time for more exciting biology.